Tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to access this amazing app called CreativeBug from home with your library card. We are on the library's website, eapl.org, and we are going to go over here to the Learn, and we are going to go head over to Research, and we are going to click on All Databases. And then we are going to click on C for CreativeBug and scroll down until we see CreativeBug over here, and then we're going to click on View Resource, and it takes us to this page. It is specifically for the Ela Area Public Library, and you're going to just enter in your library card number and then click on Log In. And here you go. Here is where you can access CreativeBug. They have so many crafty classes and videos and everything that you can take a look at and learn how to make different things. There's classes in here, and you can learn like sewing, quilting, there's paper. You can learn how to knit or crochet, which is I love it. I'm a big knitter, and I'm teaching myself how to crochet, which is so much fun. There's food and home, there's jewelry, there's holiday and party, there's kids, and then you can just click on anything in here and it'll take you to the videos that can be helpful. There's in the knitting, there's upcycled t-shirt yarn, which I used for one of the Crafty A kits from last year, which was amazing. And you can just click on any of the videos and it'll take you to that crafty video, and they break it up into different sections. So there's an overview, materials, and then they'll have different steps there, and they'll have some information, and there's some downloads, and they'll give you like what you're going to learn how to do. And people can also rate the class, and so you can get some information there. There's a gallery here. As a member, you can also add your own pictures in, and then there's also resources, and you can download transcripts, which is really nice, and you can do closed captioning on the videos, which is really helpful. You can also save videos to your own collection, and they'll show your recently watched. You can create a watch list. You can have a gallery. There's a community on here. There's just so much you can do on CreativeBug, and this is just a little brief intro on how to get access to it with your library card.